Hi, this is Fred Niemann of Hanlon Niemann, a central New Jersey law firm practicing Medicaid eligibility law in all 21 counties of the state. My topic today has to do with the ability of a family to keep their income-producing property or their family business without having to sell it or liquidate it in order to be qualified for Medicaid. There is federal law, which New Jersey tries to conveniently disregard, that says if you have an income-producing property, that property, if titled in the name of the non-applicant spouse, is exempt for purposes of Medicaid inclusion. In other words, the value of that property is not to be considered as long as it is generating income for the benefit of the community spouse or potentially even the applicant spouse if there's an intent to return home within 6 months. Furthermore, if there is a family business, a construction company, a real estate brokerage firm, a factory or a manufacturing business, any type of business that generates income is presumptively exempt and cannot be shut down or sold as a condition of a proposed Medicaid applicant achieving eligibility. Common example that we recently ran into was where there was a construction company where there were funds in the business account. Medicaid did not demand that the business be sold, but said that all the funds in the company's checking account had to be turned over and considered for purposes of eligibility. Not so. We pointed out to the county that that income was necessary in order to meet the day-to-day business expenses of the business and therefore was exempt. Well, we're in the process of resolving that with the county, but I'm fully prepared to file a fair hearing appeal if they should deny our position, because it's very clear. A business or rental income is not an includable resource for purposes of Medicaid eligibility and therefore should be deemed exempt, the failure of which means that we will, on behalf of the client, appeal such a decision. If you have any questions regarding the exemption of resources from inclusion for calculation of Medicaid eligibility, I want you to give me a call. We're always happy to be of assistance.